Welcome to the Sexy and Sacred Show with Sage and Steve, where sexuality, sensuality, and spirituality meet to help you create a blissful relationship that enhances your spiritual path and raises your love vibration for personal and planetary transformation. Welcome, fellow expanding souls. Today, we embark on a profound journey of exploration. Today's message is a call to action, inviting you to delve into the interconnectedness of all things, the whispers of transformation echoing through our world, and the immense power we hold as co-creators of our reality. Imagine humanity as a vast orchestra. Each individual, a unique instrument, is contributing their melody to the symphony of life. Yet, for far too long, the dominant notes have been discordant. The crashing cymbals of war, the grating violins of conflict, the hollow drums of division. But a shift is occurring, a subtle change in the tempo and tone of the music. Perhaps it's a rising crescendo of awareness, a burgeoning harmony of hearts awakening to our interconnectedness. The energy on Mother Earth is speeding up. It is measurable. Also, our perception of time is accelerating. There is a quickening happening as we are dramatically empowered, yang, and gently nurtured, yin, to uplevel our thoughts and how we show up in the world. We may feel the pull as stress or anxiety. We may even lash out and get defensive. Most of us have noticed, for example, on social media, that people are more agitated, and many are attacking others, trying to defend their ideals in an effort to maintain balance. We may feel overwhelmed or exhausted by the pressure of it all. Many of us are not aware of what is happening or why, and until our consciousness is more aligned with our actions, we may fall back into old habits. We will in time learn to stop fighting all of the change and literally go with the flow and adapt to all of the changes in our realities and realize our old ways and sticking to what we thought was our plan needs to be flexible. We need to be more at peace in the midst of the eye of the storm and understand that we can be love and help others by being grounded and being examples of peace, love, and joy as much as we can, despite what we are seeing around us. The good news is we were born into this time intentionally. We chose to be here to participate in the challenging events and feel the pull of this cosmic change. We are here to be a part of the solution to the discord. We are here to sound the alarm about how important it is to hold the space of love and compassion. These whispers of change are a clarion call, an invitation to step into our roles as co-creators and to fully step into our purpose and really live our unique mission. Science, once confined to the realm of the tangible, now unveils a fascinating truth about the universe's interconnectedness. Quantum physics reveals a reality where particles once thought to be independent entities exhibit a phenomena called entanglement. These particles, separated by vast distances, mirror each other's state instantaneously. This suggests a deeper level of reality, a unified field of energy where everything is connected. Could this be the invisible thread that binds us all? If everything is truly interconnected, then every thought, emotion, and action affect everything and everyone in our shared experience. We are not passive observers. Consciously and unconsciously, we are active participants shaping the world around us. As co-creators, our focus becomes crucial. When we direct our energy and intention towards love, compassion, and peace, we ripple those qualities outward, inspiring those around us and influencing the collective experience. The dominant paradigm of war, competition, and division has led us to a tipping point. Fear and hatred have become the familiar chords in humanity's symphony. But what if we could rewrite that score? Imagine a world where empathy replaces aggression, where cooperation thrives over conflict. This isn't utopia. It's a very real possibility if we change the notes we play. Transformation begins within each of us. As Pierre Teilhard de Chardin stated in The Joy of Kindness, we are not just physical beings. We are spiritual beings having a human experience. Let's remember the power we wield as co-creators. Every moment offers an opportunity to sing a clearer song, to share our truth, to express our gifts with greater love. How can we do this? Start with the seemingly mundane. Practice compassion and understanding with your family, friends, and colleagues. Forgive, communicate openly, and celebrate each other's victories. Even small acts of kindness create ripples that extend outward, touching countless lives. And remember to extend that kindness to yourself above all. Compassion extends beyond simply tolerating those who are different and forgiving ourselves and others for times when we didn't act from our highest selves. True compassion also seeks to understand, to bridge the gaps between us, and to celebrate our differences. What good would the symphony be with only percussion or string instruments? Imagine a world where every individual feels seen, heard, and valued for their unique contribution to the greater whole. When we move beyond the tolerance and embrace acceptance, we create fertile ground for love and understanding to flourish. We celebrate that we are all healers, we are all teachers, we are all nurturers, and we are all masterpieces and perfectly imperfect at the same time. Relationships are the microcosms of our world, reflecting the macrocosm of society. Many relationships operate as transactional partnerships based on what we get from each other. But is there another way? We can choose to cultivate sacred partnerships, unions built on mutual respect, spiritual growth, and a shared vision for a better world. These partnerships become beacons of love, radiating stability and inspiration into a collective consciousness. Every conscious couple becomes a synergy where 1 + 1 is far greater than 2, and they tap into the infinite energy of divine intelligence, divine love, divine creativity, and divine joy, serving as living, loving examples of being love, helping one another remember that love is who we are, is one of those many ways in which sacred partners help raise the love energy within themselves, one another, and everyone whose lives they touch, even the energy of Mother Earth and all beings, because there are no limitations at the level of love, consciousness, and energy. Imagine couples creating families and communities based on deep love, respect, and a commitment to raising compassionate, conscious children. Imagine friendships based on mutual support and encouragement, where each person thrives in the other person's presence. Imagine workplaces where collaboration reigns supreme and differences are seen as strengths, not weaknesses. When we actively cultivate love in our relationships, we set a powerful example for the world around us. As we awaken to our power as co-creators, a collective shift begins. Our understanding of ourselves and the world is changing as science, spirituality, philosophy, health, and leadership are more integrated. We are realizing that the laws of physics that we relied on are no longer applicable in the universe. Many recent discoveries point to a much more complex universe than was previously thought, and scientists as well as shamans recognize that we have the power to move between universes and parallel realities, and that our very thoughts guide what universe we are in. We must learn how our energies affect each other's energies and emotions. As human beings on a rapidly changing planet, we are infinite beings. Our negative as well as positive energies travel outside of our minds and bodies. Our heart energy is extremely powerful, and we can help others or hurt others, not only through our actions and words, but also through our thoughts and feelings. We are creating positive change, one thought, one action, and one moment of love at a time. Together, we will cause a massive change on the earth plane where love, peace, and harmony will prevail. I see this, feel this, name this, and claim this, and so it is. Message of Love brought to you by Steve Gibbs and Sage Taylor Kingsley. The Sexy and Sacred Show podcast, copyright 2024. Thanks for being part of our growing community at the Sexy and Sacred Show. Please share the love, subscribe, leave us a 5-star review, and catch us next time at your favorite podcast platform. Until then, remember, you are sexy and you are sacred.